Hey guys, what's up? So, I wanted to show you what a bad IAC valve looks like or what it does. So, last couple days, once my truck got hot, I would get this, my RPMs would go way up. And I noticed my ear, I was sucking a lot of air in here. I took my ear intake tube off here, but so yeah, I'm getting high idle, and my position is 0% commanded. So this thing should be fully closed, and I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, so I tracked it down to this. I had sprayed water. I thought there was other vacuum leaks in here, and finally I decided to check this out. So I knew I had some sort of vacuum leak because it was idling way too high. So let me start this up and I'll show you. Alright guys, you can see that. So my RPMs are obviously pretty high idle. Normally I'm about 850. What I can tell is my IAC position is at 0%, so that means it should be fully closed. But let me show you real quick. So, obviously you can hear a lot of air from there. See that? That's where my engine's supposed to be at, idling at, just right about there. Normally my idle position IAC is about 2%. So let's listen to that. So something's not closing right. Either it's a bad IAC or they're stuck or something. Yeah, so that's about normal. Alright, so if you have a high idle, check for, spray water on all your intake gaskets and check all your hoses first, and then if that doesn't go, take your air cleaner off and get your throttle body, and that's it. Alright.